Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be telling you some hacks to make YouTube videos, as it is highly requested from my one subscriber, which is Ajay Tiwari. So she did 2 to 3 messages for making this on my YouTube channel only on many of the videos. So I said her okay, I'll make. So finally I'm making this, and yeah, let us move on to our first hack. The first thing, so I see many of the YouTubers doing this. What they do is they trying to make their videos like this. Yes. So this is a kind of like how to make YouTube videos with mobile phone, because that is the main problem in computers and all. You're like finding it really easy. Yeah, because there is like so much technology on kind of computers and all. So I think that's a little bit of easy. So yeah guys, this is the thing, and I'm doing this video also on my mobile phone to show you each and everything really clearly that what happens to our mobile phone if we do like these 10 kind of things to make the YouTube videos. Yeah. So this is the first thing. So if you want to show that you're a professional YouTuber, so you should definitely to not make the YouTube videos like this, how I was telling you, in a portrait mode. You should always make it as a landscape mode, so it will be like so easy for you to make them. It will not at all difficult from that portrait mode, because portrait mode takes little bit more rest, because if you are editing it and you in your video editor and you are inserting a picture of a landscape also, so it will like get fully mess. It will your camera will be like this, it will come like this, and the rest of the part will be black colored or colored, any other colored. It will look really bad. It will be not at all clear. In my first YouTube videos I kind of do that. Not at my first or second kind of video, because in my vlogs also I did like that. So, and it was like so blurring. Like we can zoom the videos also on YouTube, so it gets really difficult. So you have to look for it and trying to make the video like this. And Ajay Tiwari, yeah, I'm talking to you, girl. You also make the videos in a portrait mode, so do not try to make like that. It really looks bad, and it looks also that you're making the videos with the mobile phone, and that looks kind of a cheap, you know. Yeah, as I also think that with mine, but I make the videos like this, so it looks nice, not that local. So you have to like kind of improve it. And the other YouTubers who are watching this, I'm talking to you also, guys. Don't feel so much like kind of odd one out. You all are same to me. I'm talking to you also, guys. If you have in your mind that you have to start a YouTube channel, or you have started a YouTube channel and you're doing this same mistake, so please just correct it. Yeah. So the second hack for you guys, to edit your video in a nice video editor, so it can be helpful to you, for you to kind of clear the imperfections and kind of train many videos in one. Because I think as I also do like that, when I record my videos in between, I just pause them or like cancel them, because I like drink some water, or I eat something, because I like really feel tired by making the YouTube videos. And many times they take many times, so you can't just pause the camera and then you'll wait for one day, and then you record the other parts next day. So your battery will get flushed away, and your camera will get fully damaged. Yeah, I'm like, you can't do it. So yeah, this is the thing. So what I suggest you for a video editing, first is that Quick, second is Filmora. And if you wanna, like, Filmora and Quick are show that they're not with watermarks, but at last they show edited by Quick. Filmora, a mobile video editing app like that, so as you will be knowing, right? Yeah, I think so. So I just kind of tell you, so you should use this movie maker kind of an app. It is kind of, yeah, yellow color icon, and in it it's like kind of like a kind of handycam photo, and it has a yellow color star. Detailed information about that. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you should definitely try the movie maker app. But if you wanna let your videos be tricky and be without watermarks, if you're using the Quick and the Filmora app also, because they have many qualities in them, so I find that app really helpful. So what I suggest you guys, that make your videos, and when you are saying bye, then be like this, bye, like this. So when the Filmora app will make it so at the last you will say bye, then it will show that Filmora video editing app. But you don't want that bye too long, so go to another video editor app which is fully without watermarks, and then just cut the Filmora kind of, what we say as app clip, and cut that your long bye clip also. So easy. Third, that if you wanna, like, make what we say, what I was talking about. So I remembered it. So if you're making a YouTube video with a mobile phone, so in camera you can make your videos by sensing the camera, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, it will stop on its own. But in your YouTube video with your mobile phone, if anyone is recording it, so it's okay. But if you're recording it yourself, I have 2 hacks for you guys. So what you need to do is just say long bye as I showed you in the Filmora one, and then cut it by the movie maker app, so it will look like your video so professional. Ajak Tiwari, do that video yourself also. You do like this, and like it's really bad. So I just suggest you please do it. Yeah. So yeah, and the other thing which I wanna tell you, that if you wanna, like, kind of see how your video is making, so what you need to do is just go on your dressing room, or in a room which has a big mirror and a table down. So just stand your phone in any way which you want. If you have a phone stand, if you want a jugaad, or if you just want to hold it yourself. Yeah. So what you need to do, you stand it like this, and the back camera with yourself. So how will you see it? The mirror, the selfie that screen will be reflecting, so you can see how your video is making. So easy, charm and easy. And if you're making a kind of beauty videos, like kind of makeup and all, so you can see in the mirror and see in the camera also. So damn easy. I think 3 or 4 in one. Yeah, that's so easy. So this was all for this video. Hope you like this video. If you want to see the part 2 of this video, so I can just tell you how to add a thumbnail, how to add a pending watermark, and how to kind of brighten up your videos, more information about it. So let me know in the comment section below. I'll do it for you guys because I'm so free. Yeah, but not that much, because my exams are coming and my mother allows very little to make videos and hold the phone only. Yeah, guys, that's like so much struggle. Yeah, my exams are on from 6th March to 16 March, and there are 6 exams. So why are they Sundays? Because one day I have a leave. So yeah guys, this is all for this video. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below that which video do you want to see the next, if you want to see the part 2, or if you want to see any other video. Any suggestions are allowed in the comment box. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, guys. Yeah, don't forget to share it so your friends can also make YouTube videos. It will be like really nice from you to them, so they will like feel really nice. And yeah, one more hack: see in the lens when you're recording the video. Don't see yourself if you're recording a selfie video. Yeah, one more hack. Bye bye.